Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and this is one of my favorite containers. Now, look at this fluted shape. It has a wrought iron holder that makes it easy to just hang on a hook. The problem is, I've had these containers for a long time, and it's very difficult to keep plants alive in them because they don't hold much soil, so the soil dries out, the plants get hot, and they don't look too good by the end of summer. The solution is this cool new begonia I want to tell you about, the Mistral Begonia. And so that is a great solution if you have a place that either deep shade or a situation where you don't have much soil and you need a plant that's drought resistant. So come with me, we're going to meet the Mistral Begonia. Okay, so here's my cool pot. I could take it out of the wrought iron holder. And maybe you have a container that is small, or a window box doesn't have much soil. And so I want you to meet this best begonia. This is not a regular tuberous begonia. It is called the Mistral Begonia, and it comes in a red form. This is the Mistral Begonia in an orange form. And then for the first time this year, I found this one that has a double flower. Almost looks like an open water lily or a rose. And they all are part of the family of begonias called Begonia boliviensis. Think of the country Bolivia. It is hot. And these begonias, unlike other begonias, can really handle dry soil. If you go away for a week, they're very forgiving every once in a while if you don't water them. So that's why they're so great for small pots. Now, the other plant that I'm going to add to this is called Dichondra silver falls. And it has gray leaves. Plants with gray leaves are naturally more drought resistant. They kind of hold moisture in their in the silver fine hairs on their foliage. So I'm going to use this to tumble down the front of my container, at the front, and then I'm going to choose one of these. I think I'll go with these orange one. And when you remove it from the pot, you'll see it really doesn't have a big tuber like a tuberous begonia. It doesn't really have a lot of fibrous roots like the fibrous begonia or the wax begonias. And it just has kind of a really thickened root structure that I think that's why it is so drought resistant or forgiving if you don't water it. Every once in a while you can get away with it. So what you don't see is how this begonia is going to look in another month or so. It is going to be covered with blooms. I mean, you're not even going to be able to see the foliage. It's going to have so many flowers. But wait, I'm not the only one that loves this flower. The hummingbirds go mad for it. So I want to encourage you to look for this Mistral Begonia. And if you like hummingbirds, if you like plants that are super easy care, a plant that will take deep shade, you get less flowers in deep shade, but you do get flowers, and a plant that will take some drought. The Mistral Begonia, a great plant. And this has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens. I'm going to go hang this back up.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.